guys. Dito na naman po tayo sa labas. Yan, diyan kami pupunta. Okay, slide daw kami dyan. This place is one of the biggest snow tubing in Moscow. So we're gonna find out what's in there. It's my first time to come here. And this is my friend who loves dancing. She was making funny dance. We are enjoying the surroundings, the views, and trying the... Oh, and that's me was posing on the ice seat. Yeah. Nagpagulong-gulong na sa yelo at nahiga. Ayan, Boss Wong Jen, yan na po yung request mo. Kailangan maggulong-gulong sa yelo. And this is my friend, one of my friend, Jane. Also posing on the snow, sliding, and just enjoying the posing. Yan, at isa-isa na kaming mga nagsiakyatan sa taas upang magpakuha ng photos, videos. Ayun ako. Oh, that's the time when I slide down. Hi guys! How are you guys doing? Are you enjoying? Ayan. Pumunta tayo dun. Tara dun. Medyo slippery. Oy! I need help! They were trying to pull me up because it was so slippery. We are closer to the top, so we are going up there. So guys, join us. Tubing in Moscow parks is a winter activity that the whole family will enjoy. That's why so many people are here right now, because the weather is so beautiful and it's very much snow, so they are enjoying the snow. And we are also enjoying the weather. So we come here to enjoy together with the Russian people. And by the way guys, and the tube themselves are also known as donuts or biscuits due to their shapes. Here you will find the main places in Moscow for the best tubing entertainment. So that is why there are so many people here. They are enjoying the weather, enjoying the tubing, and there is also a skiing on that part, on the other side of that part, and I'm gonna show you later on my next vlog. It's easy to get down, to slide down, but it's hard to go up. And you know guys, tubing, ice skating, skiing, skating boards. These are kind of winter entertainment that brings lots of fun for the people of Russia, and even the guests they are coming, or tourists, they are coming here for this season to enjoy the weather, to enjoy this kind of sports, and it's really fun. Yan ang ginagamit nila para i-pull sila going up. Kung makikita nyo dun sa part na malayo na yan, ay marami rin tao. Yan din, nag-ano rin sila, sliding din sila dyan. This is the hills full of snow. So, malaki tong place na to para sa event na ganito, sa sports na ganito. So, yeah. Last year kasi it was not really good, the weather, and this time it's really amazing. As you can see, guys, there's a string that they are pulling them up to the top. So because it's hard to go up, pulling the tubes, so they are using this string to help them going up there. So guys, here we are on the top of the hills, and as you can see the surroundings, it's full of snows there. It was getting really cold by this time, so, and it's windy, but still the people are enjoying and having fun. Kahit na ginaw, sige pa rin ang pagvi-videos. So, ewan ko kung para saan yun. Nagnanab na raw yung mukha ni Jane. So, ayan guys, tara na. Uwi na tayo kasi at wala kaming enough clothing for that weather, kaya umuwi na rin kami by the time kasi malamig talaga. And nasa top kami ng hill. So ayan guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo kasama namin dito, and hanggang sa muli, please subscribe Mystic Night TV.